All right, this is a very quick video on how to install your backup camera. Um, so you've got your head unit out, the new head unit. You'll see the appropriate wires, the RCA and the trigger wire for your backup camera, and you're going to want to run that kind of down here underneath, and then underneath this here, you can tuck the wires under there, all the way to the back seat here. Now you're going to need to remove the back seats to do this. There's some bolts down here to get to there. And then you're going to want to remove this console. I'd recommend it so that you have a little better access. You might be able to get away without removing this actually. But I'll show you where you want to go through into the trunk. Okay, so with the back seats removed, you will see a rubber grommet right about here. And there'll be some wires going through that. And that's where you want to run your wire through. Um, do not attempt to drill a hole anywhere else because the gas tank is actually back there. So you want to use that rubber grommet to feed your wire through there. And that will come out down here. Now you're going to need it comes out right here basically. But you're going to need to remove this back panel and the side panels from your trunk. Okay. And you'll be able to access this. You'll see the grommet there, and just use a coat hanger to feed that through. So I actually wired my right through this existing cover. You can pop this out, and then you're going to need to remove this as well. Okay. All these just pop off, and there's screws to remove that, and then that'll get you access to where these wires are coming through, and then you just feed the wires to the backup camera up through here. And then as far as placing the camera, I have a little different style, but this is similar to the one that comes with our kit. You will need to create a small hole for the wire to go through. You're going to need to do some splicing of wires so that you're kind of minimize the hole size that you need to drill. But this is the best place for it. Just kind of, it's not right in the center because you've got your trunk button here and you got the light here. So there's a spot here that works pretty well for that. And then we also, there's other options as well. So I've seen some people install it right over the license plate, but then it requires you to drill a hole here versus up underneath. I prefer the underneath here so you don't have to worry about water ever seeping in there. And that's basically it.